Karlsson are a trusted and traditional company in the discrete manufacturing industry. Just take a look at some of the machines on their shop floor. Absolute beasts. But how to keep them running at optimal efficiency? How to prevent the type of equipment failures that leave you unable to fulfill orders during times of high demand? The CEO was already well on the ball regards to the benefits of predictive maintenance. He passed this on to the board, who needed no persuading, and they ran with it. But how do you adopt the technology without rocking the boat? For many manufacturers like Karlsson, this kind of change can seem a daunting prospect. But there are always competitors out there ready to take a bite out of your market share if you're not ready for change. Ouch. So it's time to adapt. Karlsson brought in SAP and Capgemini, whose joint initiative of fast digital for discrete industries helped Karlsson take full advantage of predictive algorithms to anticipate when service is most likely to be required, therefore reducing often unnecessary downtime. Machine health monitoring to provide real-time analysis and give insight into the condition of a machine to intensify, shift or delay production accordingly. And remote inspection to understand which equipment parts are about to fail, to be able to order ahead rather than have to keep parts in stock and tie up resources. So, thanks to the cutting-edge technology expertise of SAP and the deep domain knowledge of Capgemini, Karlsson could move from a manual and human decision-making process and embrace data-driven predictive maintenance. They were able to adopt all this game-changing technology without changing their game. From knowing through to doing to tangible results. Karlsson went from being just trusted and traditional to trusted, traditional, and digitally transformed.